Hello, this is a presentation about claiming a tax refund on payment protection insurance refunds. What's this about? If you received a PPI refund, then the refund probably included interest. In that case, the PPI refunder would have deducted tax at 20% from the interest and paid it to HMRC on your behalf. Depending on your circumstances, you may be able to claim all or part of that tax back from HMRC if you haven't done that already. And why is that? It's because most people who received interest on their PPI refund don't have to pay tax on all of that interest. It depends on how much other interest and other income you have, but you may be able to make use of your personal tax allowance if you haven't already used all of that in the year that you received the refund. There's the starting rate for savings, which is a tax rate of 0% on up to the first £5,000 of interest, but that depends on your total income for that tax year. There's also the savings allowance, where interest of up to £1,000 in a tax year is tax-free for standard rate payers, and the first 500 is tax-free for higher rate taxpayers. How would you know how much tax has been deducted? Well, the PPI refunder should have told you the amount of tax that's been paid over to HMRC on your behalf. If you don't have that paperwork, then you can contact them and they should be able to let you know. How do you go about claiming a tax refund? Well, you have until 4 years from the end of the tax year in which you received the PPI refund to make a claim. And then you can make the claim using the HMRC form R40, and this is a link shown on the screen, and I'll also include it on the notes below. And there's a link also to HMRC's notes for completing the R40 form. Or if you complete a tax return, then provided that you're still in time for completing or amending the form, then you can make the claim via your tax return. Just a word of warning, there are companies out there that offer to claim back the refund for you, but they take as much as 50% of the refund, so in most cases it's best to make the claim yourself. Thank you very much for listening. Goodbye.